It's a car. Huh? It's a car. Okay. So we're done with the car. Okay, how about this one now, Mia? For you, okay? This time for you. What is it? What is it, Mia?
Is it?
What is it?
It is a cat.
Awesome, it's a cat. Okay, now your turn to ask teacher now. All right, okay, Mia, ready? So what is it? What is it, Mia?
It is a ant.
Okay, it's an ant. But instead of we say un. Huh? So let's say again. It's an ant. Okay, say it with me, Mia.
Is a ant.
That's better, huh? And an, okay? We say with words that are starting with consonants, huh? And what are consonants, Mia? Consonants are letters like B, C, D. Like, let's say, for example, dog. See? So we say a dog. But for an, we say with words starting with vowels. And what are vowels, Mia? Huh? So there are 5 vowels in English, okay? 5 vowels. We have a,